W or L. I want to see who copped the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull today on release day for retail. If you copped a pair, make sure you leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know where you copped from, along with a bunch of fire emojis, because this shoe is straight fire. And if you took an L, bro, it's all good. Continue watching this video, but first, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know that you took an L. Put a trash emoji, because I know that's how you're feeling, like trash, that you took an L. But it's all good. In this video, we're going to talk about restocks of the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. Sit back, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys copped. And let's get into this video. Stay tuned. We got a giveaway. Restock the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5 will restock near you and online very soon. Make sure you guys watch this entire video if you want to increase your chances of copping a Raging Bull Air Jordan 5 restock, and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you enjoy today's video. So that's right, the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s sold out today on release day. They will restock very soon near you and online. Let's start off with online. Online is not going to be easy at all. You have a much greater chance in stores near you. I'll talk about that in a second. But online is going to be bot city. Bots are going to eat up online restocks. We will see some online restocks of this sneaker. I personally think so, because I'm 100% sure that not all of the stock went out today on release day. There's going to be a lot of late shipments, which I'm going to talk about in just a little bit as well. So make sure that you guys try for them online. Online, they will be on, I'm sure, the foot sites. Finish Line may have a restock, a shock random restock. A few other sites, I'm sure, randomly will restock them here and there. Check out Solinks and be sure to follow J23 app as well, and download the apps as well and have notifications on for restock alerts. Very dope shoe. These are absolutely crazy. Quality is very nice, guys. Look at the suede. The suede quality is so nice. Very hairy suede. I'm excited to rock this pair right here. I did pick these up today for retail. If you guys want me to do a restock video, another restock video where maybe I go to the mall and maybe pick them up from a restock, if my mall does have pairs, which I'm sure they will, I will go to the mall and hopefully pick up a pair from a restock. If you guys want me to, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Stay tuned to the channel. But I will tell you guys right now, these will be available online as well as in-store. Now, in-store is going to be a tricky thing. They'll do either one of two things, or perhaps even both. I've been seeing both been going on. It's crazy, right? With the University Blue Air Jordan 1s, both of what I'm about to say happened, so I think the same thing is going to happen with this sneaker. So as far as in-store, they will be available back in stores. I promise they will. A lot of stores did not get full size runs. A lot of stores didn't get all their shipments. A lot of stores received men's, didn't receive grade school, received grade school, didn't receive men's. A lot of pairs are still out there to go out for retail for consumers. In store, on the apps, perhaps they could go on the apps. Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs. Make sure you put in your raffles. If this does happen, it will be happening in the next week, 2 weeks, even 3 weeks down the road, because of all the late shipments, because of what's going on in the world. And you guys know what's been going on with releases, right? A lot of delayed shipments, a lot of restocks, air quotes around restocks. It's just delayed shipments for the most part, and a lot of things going on because of what's going on around the world, right? A lot of pairs being delayed, a lot of backdooring going on. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the sneaker world right now. This sneaker is just a part of what's going on. Sign up on the apps. Stay alert to the apps. They probably will be on the apps very soon. I think maybe next week, the week after. I'm sure we'll have another restock. We'll have more pairs of these. Now, let me know down below in the comments if you did cop the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull. Will you be keeping a pair? Will you be selling them? Let me know down below in the comments. Me personally, this pair is my personal pair that I'll be rocking extremely soon. Make sure you give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. If you guys want me to do a giveaway for a pair of Raging Bull 5s, you guys got to get this video you're watching right now to 500 likes. You got to hit that like goal, 500 likes. We'll do a giveaway for the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s over on Instagram. So be sure to give me a follow on Instagram as well. Let me know what you guys think about the Raging Bulls. Are you wearing them? Are you selling them? Also, let's talk more about in-store. In-store. So, they'll be on the apps, I'm sure, as well as just randomly popping up in stores. When it comes to this, there's a few things you need to know. First of all, it's going to be a lot of who you know, as well as going to the stores. I do not recommend calling. Because they can lie over the phone, and they're going to tell you no. They have no reason to tell you yes. I'm being honest. I know it happens. Listen, they can lie to you in person and tell you they don't have them. Meanwhile, they're sitting in the back. Guys, go to the store. They're less likely to lie to you. They're more likely to help you out and give you a pair for retail in store versus just over the phone. Trust me, go to your store, go to local stores, and ask over the next week, 2 weeks, if they have pairs. You don't really have to go every single day. I do recommend it because you're more likely to cop, but try to go as much as possible, right? Try to go as much as possible in each store. Pop up and ask and see if they have pairs. If they tell you no, they tell you no. They tell you yes, they tell you yes. At the end of the day, you might meet somebody that might hook you up. You know, it's all about who you know in the sneaker game. If you can meet somebody, you know, at the store that might help you out, that would be awesome. So keep going to the stores, guys. Keep going to the stores. You might hit on a random restock, basically, you know, late shipment of the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull. These are definitely a must cop. A very clean sneaker. I'm excited to rock them. Very excited to rock them. I need to know right now, down below in the comments, if you guys want me to do a resale video on this sneaker. Let me know. We could talk more in depth about resale, what I think is going to happen with men's and grade school pairs. Let me know if you guys want that video. Leave a comment. These are very, very dope, man. Woo! Let me know if you guys cop today. Let me know if you're going to go try to cop on a restock, or just let me know if you guys are going to pay resale. You know, I know a lot of people are just fed up. They just want to pay that resale price, which isn't too bad, right? $190. They haven't released since 2009. It's not too bad, and it's one that's a solid shoe, a very dope colorway. I absolutely love the quality, the shade of red, the 23. This is a dope must-have Air Jordan 5 for me personally. So be sure to be on the lookout for restocks, and make sure you guys try online. You never know, it's gonna be a lot of bots, action online that's just gonna sell out extremely quick. In stores, a lot of who you know, but show up, walk up to the store, ask, and hope that you might be able to hit on a pair. I know a lot of you guys on these restock videos, a lot of you guys do DM me that I helped you out, and you wind up copping on restocks. A lot of you guys send me pics, so I do appreciate that. If you do wind up copping a pair of these on a restock, bro, be sure to shoot me a DM over on Instagram. I want to see that I helped you out cop a pair of the Raging Bulls on a restock. This is a little tips and tricks video. If you want a personal pair or you're looking to invest in pairs, I would say hold off for right now. I do think resale is going to drop a little bit. Nothing too much, but a little bit, because it is an Air Jordan 5. However, this one is a Jordan 5 that definitely will go back up. So I definitely recommend, if you're looking for personals, like I said, hold off on paying resale. Go try to pick up a pair on a restock, but if you don't hit on a restock, it's all good. They will drop, I think, a little bit of resale throughout the next few weeks, but not for too long. So I think you're gonna have to cop a pair quickly, but not yet. If you definitely want to hold off for right now, if you truly want them, pay resale later on when they drop to probably $260, $270, $280. Do not pay over $300 right now for this sneaker. Try to pick up a pair because this is a very dope shoe, and I know a lot of people definitely want pairs. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s. And make sure you guys stay tuned. We have the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s dropping next weekend, next Saturday. That's going to be a crazy release. I did look for them early. To be honest, they're crazy expensive early, where I don't feel it's even worth it. They're crazy expensive early, and there's not a lot of pairs out there early. The Hyper Royals are going to be a problem. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll drop some content on those throughout the week. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Once again, get this video to 500 likes, and I will give away a pair of Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s to one of you guys. Make sure you guys also check out the Jordan 4 Do Not Sell video on the University Blues, the University Blue 4s. I'm giving away a pair of University Blue 4s on release day. Shh. Go watch that video. Enough said. With that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the Raging Bulls. Beautiful shoe. Very happy I copped. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.